Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another bread recipe. This one is done using coconut powder, and it smells amazing. It tastes amazing, super soft, fluffy, and it has that hint of creaminess that we use from using coconut milk. Super easy to make, so let's show you guys. To make this coconut bread, here we have 350 grams of flour. We have here 50 grams of coconut powder. Here we have 200 grams of 200 milliliters of coconut milk, a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of salt. Here we have about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and some water just in case we need more liquid. This is like making any other bread. In the stand mixer, we're going to add the flour. To the flour, we're adding the coconut powder. Next is the yeast, sugar, and salt, and make sure that your yeast and salt don't touch. And lastly, before we mix it all together, we're going to add the coconut oil. So now we're going to mix it all together, and once it mixes, we're going to start to gradually add our coconut milk. And make sure that the milk is warm, and we're going to knead the dough. And if we need more liquid, we're going to add the warm water. So now that everything has mixed together, we're going to start to gradually add our coconut milk. And we need the consistency of bread, so not too light or thin or runny, but at the same time not too dense. So as you can see, the dough is soft, but it still needs a little bit more liquid. So we're going to start adding water just a little bit by little. So we're talking like drops. We've added just a few droplets of water, and as you can see, it's super soft. This is the consistency we're looking for. And the liquid depends on the type of flour and the type of coconut you're using, because so let's say you're using coconut that's greasy, if I make sense, that will not need a lot of liquid compared to dry coconut. So now we're just going to knead it for 3 to 4 minutes. So you just knead the dough and for 3 to 4 minutes, and now you're just going to try to just form it into a bowl. As you can see, it is super soft and fluffy and all. So you just form it into a bowl, and you're going to put it back in here where with a container you needed the dough in, and no need to put in oil because it's already greasy enough. So now we're going to cover it and let it rest for 45 to 1 hour. Cover it with plastic wrap really well, and then just cover it with a napkin. Let it rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So it's been like approximately an hour or so. Now as you can see, it rose. We're just going to uncover it and remove the gas from it. So we'll just take the gas off of it, and we'll transfer to our working surface. So now I just rolled it a little bit, made it into a nice roll, and we're going to cut it into 7 circles, I guess. So the strategy I'm going with is to cut the edges. And after cutting the edges, the rectangle we have left, we'll just split it in half. And we'll try to cut each half into 3 pieces. We've rolled our all our 7 balls, and now we're just going to put them in a tray that we've lined with parchment paper. After we've put them in our tray, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap, and we're going to let it rise for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. Now we're just going to remove the plastic wrap, and we're going to gently spread it with some milk. So now after we've brushed all of them with milk and preheated our oven to 200 degrees Celsius, we're going to sprinkle some coconut on top of them, but not all of them since not everyone likes coconut. And we're just going to alter each one. So we're going to spread coconut on this one and not going to spread coconut on this one and continue. We're just going to alter it. So now we bake it until it turns nice and golden brown. But of course you have to keep constant watch on it because it does depend on the oven. So this is what it looks like once we took it out of the oven. It's this beautiful flower shape and it's nice and golden brown. It smells amazing and you know, super soft and fluffy. And yeah, I think it's really it's a great idea for afternoon tea or snack, or to take it with you to school or work or whatever. It's a great snack to eat, I guess. So let's try one. So let's try one because it smells amazing. So as you can see, it is super soft. The taste is delicious. You get that hint of coconut with that creaminess of the coconut milk. So it's really nice with the great flavors. So I highly recommend making this.
I recommend it, but it's very delicious.
So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please
like, share, subscribe, and comment down below and follow us on the TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Discord, so you guys can support us to make more content.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.